How to crochet continuous rounds.
Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these continuous circles.
Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Welcome to Hectanuka 1. If you find the videos too fast, click on the gear icon below the video to slow it down. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell to receive an email when I post a new video.
Start with a slip knot, chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1. Make 15 single crochet in the ring. To make a single crochet, pass the hook through, pick up the yarn. You'll have 2 loops on your hook. Pick up the yarn and pull it through both loops. So that's 1, 2, 3, and we're going to make 15. Okay, I have 15 single crochet in my loop. Now I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in the loop. Okay, so 15 single crochet, chain 3, double crochet. Now in this double crochet, I'm going to make 5 single crochet. So first I'll chain 1, 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I made 5 single crochet. Now right here in this space, I'm going to make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to straighten out my work again, and I'm going to make 5 single crochet along this side. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so that's the second one. Now I'm going to continue to repeat that. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet in that same space. Now I'm going to chain 1, 5 single crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I open that up again. Along this chain 3, make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's how that looks. And then you'll continue to do that until you have as many as you would like. To find out how to make these easy flowers with just a small strip of fabric, click on the link below this video, and I just cut a small strip from an old house coat. So that's how easy it is to crochet these continuous circles. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.